Today's trail takes us to the most northwestern tip in the lower 48 states, which is located in Olympic National Park. Olympic National Park consists of mountainous peaks, rainforests, lakes, and beaches. Today we are going to travel to the HOH Rainforest. The trail we're doing today in the HOH Rainforest is the Spruce Trail. Let's get started. The HOH Rainforest offers several trails, including the Hall of Mosses Trail, which is 1/8 of a mile, the Spruce Trail, which is 1.2 miles, and the HOH River Trail, which is an 18-mile short overnight backpacking trail.
I will always be here beside you.
We did come during the driest month of the year, so it's not going to be the greenest, but it's still very lush. At about 3/4 of a mile, we'll finally come upon the HOH River.
Where to go from here? But you've held your sword, and I've held up mine too. So let me defend, and you just get behind me. And I've held up mine too, so let me defend.
That was a lot of fun. You know, you really can't capture all the beautiful nature in this world with just a video camera, but you can get pretty close. If you want to see more videos like this, click in the bottom right corner, or go to my channel to see the rest of my videos. If you want to be notified when more videos come out, click the subscribe button and push the notification bell so you can be notified when more videos come out. Season 2 will be coming very soon, so stay tuned.
Hey.